Welcome to Passion for Matcha, your source for matcha energy and education. Today we are going to look at the question, which matcha green tea does Starbucks use? When we drink matcha green tea, we generally prefer organic, ceremonial grade matcha green tea. You can find our favorite matcha teas and other great matcha recommendations on our website that you can find in the description. However, we have, as matcha lovers, also tried Starbucks matcha green tea, and we would like to share our opinion here and answer the question, what kind of matcha green tea powder do they actually use? So which matcha powder does Starbucks now use? We did some research and have, as mentioned, tried the Starbucks matcha various times ourselves. From what we could find out, Starbucks uses sweetened matcha powder for all their matcha drinks. The matcha powder has 3 ingredients: sugar, fruit pectin, and Japanese green tea powder. We researched that sugar is actually the largest percentage in the ingredients, so it is very different from traditional matcha powder. Bear in mind that matcha comes in different grades. You can find more about this in our other videos. We assume that Starbucks do not use ceremonial grade matcha. As it is mixed with sugar, we assume it is a lower grade matcha, but we cannot say for sure. Now, is Starbucks matcha healthy? Generally, matcha, as you might know, is associated with certain health benefits. The matcha powder that Starbucks use contains sugar. As it is not possible to get a sugar-free matcha green tea at Starbucks, the Starbucks matcha is not healthy and cannot be compared to traditional ceremonial matcha that is normally used at tea ceremonies. Of course, there are many health benefits associated with matcha. However, we believe that if you drink a matcha at Starbucks, you do not primarily do it because you want a healthy drink necessarily. You may do it as it gives you a good feeling and as you like the taste, and that is perfectly fine. Now, does Starbucks matcha taste good? As we mentioned, we have tried the Starbucks matcha various times, and we actually really like it. I guess that's because we love matcha and we also like Starbucks matcha. Not very often, however. If we order it at Starbucks, then we order it with soy milk and vanilla syrup. Yes, it is probably not what the traditional matcha lover would do, but we appreciate that Starbucks made matcha mainstream, and we sometimes just like the taste of their matcha. We hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please smash the like button and follow us on our channel. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Bye!